morning student. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Student, in today's class we will solve some numerical problem based on work done. So the first numerical is an energy of 4 kilojoule causes movement of a body through 64 meter in the direction of force. Calculate the force acting on the body. Student, in this question energy is 4 kilojoule, which is denoted by W. Student, as you know that the unit of energy or the unit of work done is a joule. So firstly we have to convert kilojoule into joule. 1 kilojoule equal to 1000 joule. So 4 kilojoule equal to 4 into 1000, which is equal to 4000 joule. So work done is 4000 joule and displacement is 64 meter, and we have to find out force. The formula of work done is force into displacement. Here work done is 4000 and displacement is 64. So force equal to 4000 divided by 64. After dividing, we get 62.5 Newton. So the force acting on the body 62.5 Newton. Now student, numerical number second. A force of 20 Newton is acting on an object. The object is displaced through a distance of 10 meter in the direction of the force. Find the work done. Student, in this question force is 20 Newton and displacement is 10 meter, and we have to find out work done. Student, as you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 20 and displacement is 10. After multiplying, we get 200 Newton into meter or 200 joule. So the work done is 200 joule. Now student, numerical number third. A worker does 300 joule of work by dragging a sack of cement with a force of 60 Newton. Find displacement of the sack. Student, in this question work done is 300 joule and force is 60 Newton, and we have to find out displacement. So you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. So work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 300 and force is 60 Newton. So displacement equal to 300 divided by 60. After dividing, we get 5 meter. So the displacement is 5 meter. Now student, numerical number 4. Find the work done by a student who applies a force of 20 Newton to displace a table in classroom through a distance of 400 centimeter in the direction of force. Student, in this question, force is 20 Newton and displacement is 400 centimeter. Student, firstly we have to convert centimeter into meter because the unit of work done is Newton into meter or joule in SI system. So firstly we have to convert centimeter into meter. So here force is 20 Newton and displacement is 400 centimeter. Student, as you know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 400 centimeter equal to 400 divided by 100. After dividing we get 4 meter. So displacement is 4 meter. And we have to find out work done. The formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 20 and displacement is 4. After multiplying we get 80 Newton into meter or 80 joule. Now student, numerical number 5th. A work of 5 kilojoule is done when a force of 20 Newton is applied to a card. Calculate the distance through which the card moves. Student, in this question work is 5 kilojoule. And student, firstly we have to convert kilojoule into joule. So 1 kilojoule equal to 1000 joule. So 5 kilojoule equal to 5 into 1000, which is equal to 5000 joule. So work done equal to 5000 joule. And force is 20 Newton. And we have to find out distance. Student, as you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 5000, force is 20 and displacement find करना है. So displacement equal to 5000 divided by 20. After dividing we get 250 meter. So the distance is 250 meter. Now student, numerical number 6. A work of 3 kilojoule is done in moving a body through 300 centimeter in the direction of applied force. Calculate the magnitude of the applied force. Now student, in this question work is 3 kilojoule. And firstly we have to convert kilojoule into joule. So as you know that 1 kilojoule equal to 1000 joule. So 3 kilojoule equal to 3 into 1000, which is equal to 3000 joule. So work done equal to 3000 joule. And displacement is 300 centimeter. Student, firstly we have to convert centimeter into meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 300 centimeter equal to 300 divided by 100. After dividing we get 3 meter. So the displacement is 3 meter. And we have to find out force. And the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 3000 joule. And force find करना है displacement 3 meter. So force is 300 divided by 3. After dividing, we get 1000 Newton. So student, with this numerical, today's class is over. Thank you.